Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Mitsubishi Shogun 2007 metallic grey. Car has front headlight washers with front fog lights. It's got 20-inch alloy wheel. It's got side steps, roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got reversing camera. It's a 7-seater car. It's got a split folding rear seat. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. It's got 7 headrests. Eyes are fixed, child seat preparation. Electric seats, it's got electric mirror, electric sunroof. Car has satellite navigation, it's got reversing camera, Bluetooth telephone connection. It's got MP3, DVD-ROM, hard drive, aux connection, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning. Got heated seats, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.